We've been riding hard all day, and some of the guys are still out there riding. We came back so we could start cooking this roast beef. We're gonna braise it. I'm gonna sear it off real quick. Try to get some of that browned beef flavor going. We've got plenty of heat going on. Ooh, look at that beauty. Hot. Alright, put that guy in there for now. Nice. Better than bouillon. That'll fit just fine. All right. And I've got another 5-way cast iron set up here with some of that bouillon. I should say better than bouillon. Render some of that fat off, make it a little more accessible to soak into the rest of the meat. See that fatty side, see how it turned out? Oh yeah, that's looking good. We're going to tuck this little piece right in there. There we go. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Give me a little more space. Trusty elk skin gloves here. These have been very nice gloves. I'm very happy with how they turned out. So let's go ahead and put that on there. I think that heat will reflect off that rock, and that'll be a great spot. Woo-hoo. That's hot. Alright, we're just going to let those work. It's okay if they're a little extra hot right now. We can kind of move them out of the heat. But there's a lot of cold beef in there that needs to warm up. Let's get our onions and garlic. I'm going to use a little avocado oil in my pan. I'll put a little more oil in there. See how things are going here. Ooh, perfect. That's what I want. I want to pick up this whole thing and rotate it and let it just work slowly.
I kind of, sort of get it. Right across from
I'm going to cook the veggies in this billy pot, but I am going to put some more of this better than bouillon into the water, so it'll be very beef flavored. And I've got those caramelized onions and garlic that should really make this absolutely delicious. Let's put this up here on the heat. There's going to be lots of good flavor going on here.
A few moments later.
Let's see how this turned out. It hasn't been going for 3 hours yet, which was kind of the goal I was shooting for, but I think it's gone long enough that it should be pretty good. Here we go. Sweet. Yeah. You can have more than that too. Let's get you some more.
That's all right.
Here's another piece.
Or do you want to make
It seems really tender.
Yeah, and then go ahead and grab some veggies. Maybe this would help.
Oh, yeah, maybe. That's a good idea.
I forgot to. I have a ladle and a spoon that goes with that set, but I forgot to grab them.
There you go, Gary.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, feel free to come back for more too.
That's awesome.
I don't know how many people are gonna.
Yeah, Steve, it's
Is it good?
no need for a knife.
Oh, good.
Awesome.
Look at that.
Wow. Thank you.
You're
Prime.
welcome.
Nice.
Sorry, already.
No, not yet. I'm going to, though.
Yum. This is awesome.
I should have cut this up before. I'll get you more than that. Here.
Sweet.
And you can come back for more.
Thank you. Oh, and happen to have pot roast on it. I don't think it's.
Yeah, this is a first, having pot roast on a camp.
You can come with us every time.
Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Nice. Floor sanding company.